Namaste everyone. My name is Krina, a clinical dietitian from the Yoga Institute. Now tell me, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Sattvic? Is it a list of foods to be allowed and not allowed? Strict rules, discipline, restrictions? But what if I tell you Sattvic is not just about food, but much more than that, more about being in a state of being. See, in yoga, Sattva means clarity, calmness, harmony. But in today's world, we are constantly consuming, and not just in terms of food, but in terms of the noises, the information, the overstimulation, comparison. And not only that, we eat while looking at our phones, we rest but without feeling rested. We are connected with the entire world, but we are disconnected with ourselves. So in this case, Sattvic living is not about being perfect or living in a perfection zone. It's more about being conscious and aware. So the question is not about, is my food really Sattvic? But the question is more about, is the lifestyle creating the peace within me? Sometimes a simple meal but eaten mindfully can be Sattvic. Silence can be Sattvic. Good sleep can be Sattvic. And also when you pause before reacting, it also can be Sattvic. So it's not about being rigid or being strict, but it's more about being conscious and aware. Because ultimately, Sattvic living is not about looking pure from outside or following a list of rules or a list of food list. It is more about creating that peace from within, the kind of lifestyle that you want to live, which can bring more peace and harmony in yourself. And in a world full of noises, isn't inner peace the most Sattvic thing that we can cultivate? Namaste.